Hello, my name's Craig Buckler and I want to talk to you today about Docker. Now you may have heard about it before, but it's one of those tools that many people don't think they need. They presume it's too complex or too much hassle to learn. But use it once and it will revolutionise the way you develop software. So let's look at what Docker offers. Developers require many different software dependencies for each project. You might need language runtimes like PHP, Node, Python or .NET. There's frameworks such as Laravel, Django, React or Next.js. You could need a web server like Apache, Nginx or IIS, and databases such as MySQL, Oracle or SQL Server, and even whole applications like WordPress or Magento. You need to install and manage all these dependencies before you can start development. That can take hours of effort, and that's presuming the versions you need are available on your system. In the time it takes you to watch this video, Docker could have downloaded, installed, configured and started a complete development environment. Docker does this by putting a lightweight wrapper around applications. As well as installing quickly, any application will run on any modern OS, whether you're using Windows, Mac OS or Linux. And it's isolated. Other than using disk space, applications cannot conflict with your system or anything else. That means you can run different versions of the same software for different projects, even at the same time. For example, you could have MySQL 5 and 8 happily running together. Docker also makes your project portable. You can share it with your team and it'll run identically on every device, even if they're using a different OS or development tools. Docker stops all those frustrations where a project works on one PC but not another. And Docker can also be deployed to your live server. It'll help you to scale your app as traffic increases, and it can keep the service running even when it updates or fails. Most of all, Docker is liberating. It makes it easy to install and evaluate any software dependencies. So what's the cost of all these benefits? Docker is open source and free to use. You only need to pay if you need support or some online storage space. Docker is the most useful web development tool that you're not using. If you'd like to learn more, my Docker for Web Developers course provides a 200-page book, 90 minutes of video, source code for your own projects, a private chat room, and free updates. You can sign up at dockerwebdev.com and you'll be using Docker within minutes. If you prefer to learn interactively, I'm running a Docker Live course with Software Cornwall. And if you're in the UK or an EU country, you get that course for half price. Sign up at dockerwebdev.com/live and I'll see you there.